I really appreciate it. A few hours earlier.
Good. Now then, time to find Hikari.
You know, that guy wasn't really our main concern.
Bitch. I'm not taking any chances.
Well, whatever. Let's just find that hag and get the hell out of here, wherever this is.
Uh-oh, that's a spelling error right there. You see that? If the screen would stop blurring itself. You guys see that? Wherever this is. That's one E too many.
What's the plot? Freddy. Who in the hell are those anime girls?
I don't know.
Where the hell do they come from?
I don't fucking know. Stop asking me these questions I don't have an answer to, for fuck's sakes.
Yeah, this is what happened after I shat on Golden Freddy in the first part of this. Yeah, I remember this.
I feel like this is a herald of what's to come. It's possible that the very fabric of time and space itself is currently shattering to pieces as we know it.
Say the line, chica.
Devour my hot bird ass Freddy.
Yeah, she said the thing. Woo! Pretty sure this was also what I said last time. History is repeating itself.
Now what?
Now what?
Well, that won't be happening anytime soon. Now, since they utterly shit on the final boss for us, it is time for the thing we've all been waiting for.
Make a living in the music industry?
No. Debauchery.
Obviously.
That being said, let's blow this pop stand.
What, we're not fucking doing it here.
No dumb fuck. Why do you think we shit on the cameras for? My doppelganger made the mistake of leaving his traces.
Toy Freddy did that?
I don't.
So where exactly are we going?
To a special place perfect for our elusive night of debauchery. Now let's get going. We have no time to waste.
Alright. Look at this. This is so old school, I guess you could call it. They even have the little honk.
Not this way. I don't want to face the wrath of those anime girls.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to face the wrath of those anime girls. I'm gonna be honest, Freddy. Okay, so where are we going?
The camera is
Fucking dead. We're going over here?
Don't forget to lock it back. We don't want any further intruders in the premise.
Alright.
Perfect.
There's no use hiding. Show yourself. Hikari.
What was that?
Hey, look, it was a voice line from when we were playing as the Touhous.
Pay no attention. We have other matters at hand.
So where's this secret elusive place that Freddy was talking about, A few meters later. Is that Sonic music? It just sounds like it.
Ah, the egregious Gotham City. Full of crimes, drug addicts, and of course, debauchery.
Nice.
Our destination is the sacred Gotham Bar. Unfortunately, I am short on cash to warrant an entry. Fortunately, there are money conveniently lying on the ground everywhere, so it's all good.
Oh, nice.
Now,
why is there money? You know what? I'm not gonna question that.
it's time to inhale.
There it is. Chapter 2. The Rotten City. Here comes the money! You need to collect 50 cash to gain an entry to Cotton Bar. There are 10 in each area of the city. Your new adversaries won't make it easy for you. Use the data pad in your inventory to scan your foes and expose their information. Due to the glaring light of the city, the mini-map is slightly harder to see. I can see that you're playing as Freddy and Co. It's important to note that their fighting styles are different from the residents of Gensokyo. For instance, instead of Graze, they have access to Guard. Guard raises their defense by 65%, reducing the amount of damage received. As they don't have access to the Maku, their limit break meter are instead called Tech. Unlike in Gensokyo, Tech does not gradually increase Freddy and Co.'s normal attack. Yes, I remember this from the original Fuckboys. You don't necessarily have to explain it all to me, but if there's new shit, then go ahead. It does, however, increase their attack and defense by 30% fully charged. Keep all this in mind, and you should be fine. I don't remember that in the original, but maybe it's because the game straight up doesn't tell you what TP does in the original, but you know what? And this has been like this has always been a thing, but you know what? It's good to know now. Yes. Yes, there's a vending machine. Yes.
Present me with your wares, oh glorious vending machine.
Nice. HP boost and oh my god, this literally is like Fuckboys 1. We have HP boost, MP boost, attack boost, and defense boosts again. That's pretty cool. I don't have the money to do that right now. To buy any of that right now. Well, I do. I have 1,000, but empty bottle. Oh god, this feels so weird. Use a scouter. Beer bottles who gets drunk. Is your what? Beer bottles who get drunk. Is your mind blown yet? That is fucking insane, bro. Also, I don't have my new skills. Shit. That's not... Man. Alright, whatever. Shut up, Snow. That's my dog. In case you guys can tell. Also, Foxy, you fucking idiot, you missed. Wow, out of all the attacks there, Chica's Fearless Flight of all things did the most damage. That's kind of surprising, actually. And Plank Walk actually deals decent damage now, unlike before where you really only use it for... Yes. As before, you only really use it to paralyze people, not for the damage. Not that it deals great damage, not that like hitting an extra time makes it deal great damage, but you know, it's extra damage nonetheless, and that's always good. What's not good, however, is Foxy being poisoned. Alright, screw all of you. Ow. Thank fuck nobody got poisoned. That would have been a disaster. Also, I think they nerfed/changed the backup bash. Bonnie hits the enemy with an incredible blow, depletes 20% of the enemy's HP usable for 3 times. That seems like a fair change, because before backup bash was really just, oh, if it hits it's really good, but it almost never hits. That's the thing. Also, I have not been keeping track of how much money I've been collecting. That's kind of bad, I think. They don't really deal all that much damage, all things considered. Fuck you, treasure! Can't a pirate masturbate in this fucking house? Speed! Still, it feels good playing as these 4 again after so long. It's been a long time. I don't know why I started singing. Damn! Chica can one-shot them if her rolls are high enough. If her damage... If she gets lucky, I mean. Fuck off. Treasure. Chica's actually pretty useful now. Not that she wasn't before, but like people. Now I wasn't there personally, but I'm pretty sure people memed on the fact that Chica was by far like one of the most was by far like the useful, the least useful party member out of the four. What just? And for the most part, yeah, I can agree. Like Chica's attacking move really wasn't very good, like at all. And the only purpose was to heal people. Combat-wise, she's definitely the weakest member, but it's not like she's completely useless. She has, in the original, she had Pizza Fast and Caffeine Revival, which were really great outside of combat, and still okay inside of, while you're in the battle, because, unless you have like 99 cakes and 99 large pizzas. Wait a second, did I get all the MULA in this area? I sure as hell hope I did. I haven't been keeping track. Okay, I'll do a quick jump cut so that I don't waste too much of you guys' time. And I'll go check around the whole entire city again. Not the whole entire city, but this part of the city at least, to see if I missed anything. I'll be right back. Okay, I don't think I missed anything. Also, there's another part of the city to the right, so we'll go check there next. Yes, I shall take this glorious drop item. Inhale my dawn, enrage my child. Cha-ching! I got that. These beer bottles roam around Cotton City, likes to drink alcohol excessively. They don't drop anything, right? Nope. Okay. There's how many enemies in this part? 13. It's really not a whole lot. That's like half, almost half of what the enemies that were in Broken Disc, that were in the first part of this. Discs with cracks on the surface, and they smoke cracks as well. What the fuck is wrong with this city? Like, seriously. These guys are fucking weirdos. Alright. Tries to play a video, but it crashed. Okay. I guess. Also, Freddy's Tornado March does decent damage now. Again, just like Foxy's Plank Walk, it got a damage boost, which is cool. Yes. Okay, so do they drop anything? I highly doubt it. Nope. Okay, time to continue collecting money. There's another vending machine. Alright.
Present me with your wares.
Give me some of these. And definitely some more birthday presents. That'll be good as well. Alright. Kmart. Isn't that the place that Golden Freddy visited? I don't know. I'm not sure actually. I'm pretty sure it was just Walmart there, but you know what? It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been so long since I've played Final Fantasy Fuckboys 3. So that's to be expected. Oh. Well, that's not very nice. Bunny Hop's still pretty good. Now you must die. Damn it, Foxy, you missed? Are you fucking kidding me? And now Freddy's frozen? At least that guy's lost his balance. That's pretty good, I guess. But damn it, Freddy got frozen! He needs to let it go, if you get what I'm saying. Oh, I get why Foxy missed now. He has blind. I completely missed that. Oh well. Devour my hot bird ass. Devour my hot bird ass, Freddy. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, Chica's still pretty useful as a healer. Even in this game. We got the upper hand. Pretty sure Foxy can one tap. Can kill a broken disc by himself with rush down if he's at full HP. So let's do that. Oh come on, we got unlucky. That's not very cool, man. That's not cool at all. But it definitely is possible. Look at how little health it has left. Okay, that should be most of the money in this area. It should be. Well, probably is all of them, you know what? I should really take note in my head. Just so that I don't have to just so that I don't have to keep on doing this. And I don't have to keep looking all over the city in case I like miss one or something. There's a pathway here which leads to more money. Dim lighted bulb. These light bulbs are not that bright. I hate the fact that made me chuckle. But you know what? Well played. Alright? Well played. Get paralyzed. And you lost your balance. And you're gonna die to Chica. And you're also gonna die. Yes. Yes. What the hell? Okay, so that's also a pathway to here. That's good to know. This is the Hope Elementary School. What kind of name is that? Hope Elementary School? I hope that whoever's in charge of naming that school gets fired and they come up with a better name. Jeez, even I could probably come up with a better name than Hope Elementary School. What's this place? This is the Mental Hospital Institute. That's where all Touhou fans deserve to go, including myself. Give me that. It sucks because these guys don't... The Fuckboy Crew doesn't have any AoE attacks, really. I mean, neither does the Fuckboy Crew, necessarily. Unless you want to count Toy Bonnie using Spread Bomb, but that's not really very... It's It's not reliable because you need TP in order to use spread bomb. Also, Bonnie's poisoned. Fuck. There you go, Bonnie. This is the graveyard. Cotton Cemetery. Alright. So that's the second enemy, right? Because it has 4,000 HP, yep. I knew it. I need to look up what this theme is, because it honestly kind of bops. I'm not gonna lie. This is the fish pond. Wow. Thank you for telling me that. I would not have known otherwise. Sounds very Sonic-y, wherever it's from.
Present me with
Oh yeah, that's right, I have donuts. Okay. So I did not in fact make a mental note in my mind of how much money I've been gathering. Fuck. But it should appear on the mini-map, no? So like as an orange thing. Okay, there you go. There's one right there. There's nothing there. Okay, what does that say? There's like a piece of paper on the wall. Now playing The Desolate Hope. Legacy of Flan? Is this? Yeah, it's a theater. Yeah, I assume so. What is the Legacy of Flan? I know what The Desolate Hope is. I'm pretty sure that's a game that Scott Cawthon worked on like a long time ago, but what's the Legacy of Flan? Also, there's no all the roads are blocked. I don't know where else to go. Nope, not there. Pretty sure that road, I already saw that this was blocked, so nope, not there either. Is this supposed to be the end of the city? I don't think so. There's definitely more enemies to fight, but all the roads here are blocked, so I guess I gotta go the other direction then. I guess I gotta find another way. I hope I'm not having another dumb moment where I'm missing something completely obvious. Otherwise, that would be kind of embarrassing. Ooh, there's money right there that I missed. Thank goodness I came back here then. Acquire. And also that. How did I miss that? What the hell? Die. See, there you go. He can kill them in one rush down. If he just believes.
present me
You just gotta believe in yourself, Foxy. Or some shit like that. People. I mean, wait a second. Ads. Hey. So if you're wondering why it suddenly got out yesterday, it's because I actually don't really know. My phone just kind of died. Well, it wasn't out of battery or anything, and the recording just kind of stopped for no reason. And then once I realized like I was recording like at it was like well past 1 a.m. at that point. I was like, oh shit, I really need to go to bed. So I figured, you know what? I just record. Even though I didn't do an outro, I should probably do. I'm probably just gonna. I'm just gonna record the next day and pretend nothing ever happened. Pretend like nothing ever happened. Except I also fell asleep, so now it's nighttime again. Even though I was gonna record this during the day, like record this as soon as possible. But you know what? Yeah, that's the reason why it kind of just cut off there. Which means people aren't gonna be. It's night, but people aren't. It's not like people are gonna be sleeping, so I can just. It's too early for that. So I can basically be as loud as I want to be. I mean, not really, because they're probably still gonna yell at me to quiet down if I'm too loud. But you get what I mean. So during before I started recording though, I went and grinded just a little bit. Got one of all the boosts. I got like I got 5 lollipops and 4 haze candy MK2s, 50 donuts, which is the max amount of donuts you can have, and 40 everything else. And I still have 1,350 tokens to spare. Now, I killed 29 broken discs for that. A little bit less than that because I already killed a few broken discs in the last recording. But, and that might not seem like a lot, but if you remember, they drop like yes, you see here, they drop like 200 tokens every time you kill them. Also, I don't think I read the description of this. These discs are abandoned after accidentally fucking up the owner's DVD player. Light bulbs are the dim light. No wonder it got abandoned. Well, gee, that's kind of fucked up. So, anyways, I went back. Also, besides that, I also like scoured through like the other parts of the city to see if I missed any money, missed any of the MULA, but I don't think I did. I was pretty sure I didn't anyways. It was just the camera. Alright. It's time to move on to the next area now, but you know, because yeah, I've done basically all I can. The other end, what the hell is this? Old game console? Use a scouter. I've done pretty much all I can in those other 3 areas. A retro game console. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Alright. Oh god, marijuana smoke, that's cool, man. That's not cool, man. Feel the pain. You guys are surprisingly tough. Oh god. They dropped 250 tokens. Okay. Chica, you can heal him with your own skill. Alright. Let's get the MULA. I gathered like 3 so far. What the hell was that? No, what is that? Seriously. It's wearing shades or whatever it is. So that's pretty cool. Loads up several classic games. Oh. Of course Bonnie would be charmed by Pac-Man. Who wouldn't? Also, why are you guys targeting Bonnie so much? Come on. That would have killed him if he managed to hit himself. That's not good. You're too strong for your own good, Bonnie. Oh, this is Cotton Bar. Okay. Let me just save in file 57. Since nothing major has really happened. Okay.
I need to return with exactly $50 before I can engage the boss motherfucker.
Okay, so I was right. Alright. I got 3. Nope.
Present me with your wares, oh glorious vending machine.
Oh, need anything? Okay. That's the next area. I don't want to. Sorry about that. I got into a massive coughing fit all of a sudden, and I had to cut that out. It was so bad that I actually had to. It's still happening. It's still kind of happening right now, actually. Oh god. That literally came out of nowhere. It was so bad that I had to get up from my seat to get a glass of water. I don't need anything to buy for that. So yeah, that was not okay. Gotham Church? Why is there a church? You know what? I'm not gonna question it. Also, there are 3 of you motherfuckers now. What's the best play here? Corridor March? Do that. Plank walk the 3rd one. Okay, good, he's paralyzed. Nice, Chica didn't get charmed. And that guy is asleep. Good. Okay. And you the 3rd one lost balance. Alright. Spewed sleeping powder. Fuck you too then. Get fucking fucked. Treasure. 750 ain't bad. More MULA. 3 MULAs in the same grass field. How convenient. At least I have like a counter now to see how much money needs to be collected. Still needs collected. Also die. Alright, let's see. Let's go talk with the boss.
I need to return with exactly $50 before I can engage the boss motherfucker.
Alright, I need 10 more, and they're in the next area, so. Oh shit, is it raining? Can you guys hear that? It's raining. I'm not sure if you can hear that in the recording because the music is so loud, but you know what? It's raining. What's gonna be here, I wonder? What's gonna be in the final area? Flip phone? It's a flip phone. That's it, really. Okay. The second one's paralyzed at least. These enemies don't really deal that much damage, but they are very annoying though. Like seriously, they are. Very annoying. With all their status effects that they can inflict on my team. Why do you guys keep missing? They're literally inanimate objects. To be fair, inanimate objects probably are smaller than, like, say, a regular person. So, you know what? It actually makes perfect sense that you'd miss more often. Broke? Ka-ching! What's this? The Fuckboy's Family Diner?
Lord's former place of dwelling.
Oh, shit! It's Golden Freddy's old pizzeria. Yeah. That's about half what I expected Freddy to react to that. Okay. Oh, it almost felt like the vending machine itself was an enemy there. Let's just let's just run. Yeah. Give me some of those, give me some of those, give me some of those. Give me 5 more of those. That should be... Oh, fuck. What the hell? I almost accidentally knocked my cell phone stand over. My old recording thing. You know what? It's fine. That's not what I wanted to do at all. Okay, there you go. That's another ching. Ghostbusters HQ. This is the Ghostbusters headquarters. Currently closed. Why are the Ghostbusters here? What? That's kind of random. Okay, let's go. Okay, there's nothing over there. Alright then. Another one. You know what? Fuck all of you. Thunderstorm. God damn it. Oh shit. Freddy's almost dead. Oh. Okay, Freddy is legit almost about to die. Guard. I guess. Though not sure if that's really gonna help when your HP is that low. Okay, attack Chica instead, that's good. Rip you, yes. These guys dropped 9, that means they dropped 300. That is pretty good, if I do say so myself. I think... No, I saw another one. Either this or the next one's gonna be the last. Okay.
Enough for our entry to Coffin Bar. Let's go.
Let's go! That's what we've been waiting for, baby! Woo! Alright, let's go. Where's the entrance? I think I remember where it is. It's down here. Yeah. Should remember where it is, like... Okay. Are we prepared at all for this? I mean, we have 50 of everything. We should be. Let me... Well, I don't. I use some of them, but let me just fix that real quick. Okay. Just so that I can use lollipops and these candy MK2s twice.